Hi, today we're looking at the 2018 Ford Explorer Limited. This vehicle is MSRP price is $59,139. With discount off, the discount is $6,281. So the legacy price is $52,858. The color on this vehicle is white platinum tri-coat. We have 20-inch polished aluminum rims, wonderful running boards to help you get in and out. We have easy access entry. We have bliss blind spot on the mirrors, and with cross traffic alert, which allows you to see cars in front of you. On the door here, we have power windows, power locks, folding mirrors, and we also have the seat memory, so you set your position on your seat and it stays and remembers who you are. We have 10-way leather actuating, massaging heated and cooled seats. We have telescoping steering wheel. We have automatic headlights. We have a terrain management system with downhill descent. You have dual climate control, rear climate control, navigation, park assist, parallel park assist, AC, Sony stereo system. We have some wonderful USB connections inside here for charging your phone. And we also have a dual moonroof. In the back, the leather continues. We got two captain's chairs with center console. The back seats are also heated. And there's also USB connections for all the tablets and other devices you may need. Also with a standard household AC with 400 watts of power coming out of there. Climate controls in the back as well. When you come to the back of the vehicle, we have the great feature with the hands-free entry. All you got to do is kick underneath the back, and it opens automatically. In the back here, you see the third row, which also has a power stow and fold feature, which I'll show you. You press the stow button, and either both or one of the seats will automatically stow away for you. Isn't that great for that extra storage? We also have a 12-volt AC. And then power closing tailgate as well. Just a click of a button. At Legacy Ford, let your legacy start here.